watching with Chef Ricardo cooking program. We're gonna talk about our cooking book, the Caribbean Cuisine cooking book, guys. I don't know, if you don't get a copy, you need to get a copy. You know the reason why? A lot of people have been talking about a copy of the book, who brought the book so far. Remember my chef award? There's a little bits and pieces telling about myself in the book, and you know, the book is just brilliant, and definitely I would encourage anyone, for me to explain it to you, you understand, is to you to get a copy and have it in your kitchen and share it with your friend and your neighbor, your family. Tell them about Chef Ricardo. Share it to your friend, share it to your neighbor, tell it to your co-worker, your manager. Guys, I'm telling you, the Caribbean Cuisine cooking book is going on really good, brilliant. We sell roughly almost 5,000 copies so far with this book since it launched out. So guys, you're gonna see marvelous things coming out. Remember, by 2020 we're gonna have the volume 2, which is gonna be the Caribbean Cuisine volume 2, gonna come out 2020. So there's a lot of things in the pipeline and a lot of recipe on the YouTube channel. Recipe to inspire you and recipe to help you to fill all of those gaps. So guys, thank you so much for your time when you're spending watching the video and leaving your comments. Your comments are amazing. Thank you. Bye bye.